Hey guys, Dr. Tabor here. I want to apologize in advance for the shaky video. I'm actually just shooting this quick video to give you a little bit of an insight on the Masterpiece Report program, how awesome this product actually is. So I just want to walk you through real quick exactly what you get when you invest in the Masterpiece program. So you get 2 DVDs. One DVD is Dr. Zaino's actual report. It's high definition video. You can see it playing there behind me. It's an actual report that he did in his office that we filmed and is professionally edited. And you could actually play this DVD. I actually play it in my waiting room sometimes, and my patients love it. Or you could actually play this as your report if you wanted to do that as well. So you not only get that on DVD, but you also get Dr. Zaino's Masterpiece Report training, where he actually walks you through everything in this report and shows you step by step why he says it and the thought behind it. It's extremely valuable. It's absolutely awesome, and you'll love it. You also get access to these videos and 30 plus other videos online in the Masterpiece Report membership area, which I'm going to take you to right now. Let's go check that out. Okay, so we are now logged in to my account. This is the members only Masterpiece Report members only area, and you get instant access to this as soon as you purchase the product. You'll get access to all the videos and all the paperwork online. But let me walk you through and show you what you get. So you'll notice up here at the top, this navigation says home. There's 4 different areas to this membership site. The Masterpiece Report, that's the main training that Dr. Zaino does with you. There's 3 other bonuses on here: the Internal Revolution and Financial Plans. That's Dr. Zaino's staff walking you step by step through that new patient process and more. Then you also have an area called Master Speaking with Roberto Monaco. That's Dr. Zaino's speaking coach, walking you through the process how to master public speaking. And Master Conversions with Dr. Fred. That's Dr. Zaino's chiropractic coach, Dr. Fred DiDomenico, and he's a master communicator, and he can show you how to increase your conversions in your office. If you scroll down, you'll see this video. Dr. Zaino will walk you through how to use this product, how to get the maximum effect from it. And then the same areas, if you continue scrolling down, you'll see here, you can either you can use the scroll bar up here. You can also scroll down and use either one of these. So it walks you through each area as well as all the documents and paperwork you get. I want to take you through the first area, the Masterpiece Report. This is really the bread and butter of this product. I mean, this is Dr. Zaino's own report. This is over an hour long of him going through. It's a filmed report in his office, professionally filmed, HD quality, but you can watch it online. I also showed you the DVDs that you'll get of this if you wanted to play it in your office. Now notice on the right side of all these videos, you have an area where you can download the audio. So if you want to put it on your iPod and listen as you go. You'll download the scripts, so if you want to learn his doctor's report, you'll have the scripts right there. And then there's also a button that says View Next Video. So it'll walk you through, it'll walk you through all the training that he does on his doctor's report. So everything that he says in his doctor's report are in these videos, these 18 training videos that will show you step by step why he says everything he says, and also cover every objection you can think of. Every objection he's had from any patient that's walked through his office, and he designed a way to address that objection, and you'll learn every single one of those. This right here is it is the meat and potatoes. The reason why you buy this product right now is the Masterpiece Report. So let me walk you through these other bonus programs though. You'll also get the Internal Revolution and Financial Plans. These are Dr. Zaino's staff. They'll walk you through the process of the new patient system in his office. You'll get 7 other training videos from the day 3 process to how they sign up people for doing advanced talks, how they do fundraisers. So you're learning how to get more new patients during this process. You'll also get Dr. Zaino's corrective care plans and his lifetime VIP plans that he uses in his office. This is a huge bonus and well worth the price of the product right there. The next portion of this membership site is Master Speaking with Roberto Monaco. And this area, it's the Chirothought Thought Leader videos that we filmed with Roberto. He walks you through step by step how to master public speaking. This is Dr. Zaino's speaking coach, and you can see here all of the trainings, 9 different video trainings that you can go through. You can also download the audios from these video trainings and play them on the go, learn this stuff while you're on the go. The last area is Master Conversions with Dr. Fred, and these are Dr. Fred DiDomenico's Thought Leader videos. And so here are 11 different training videos that are going to show you how to be a better communicator, how to increase your conversions. Now, this is not it. There's also some added bonuses in here as well. I want to show you that nobody else is going to get access to this. Roberto Monaco gave you complete access. He's giving everybody who purchases this program before Thursday night at midnight access to his Influencers Playbook program, okay? So this is a private members area, completely different membership product area of over 20 training videos on how you can become a better influencer and a better speaker in public and just master this area of public speaking. So this in itself, you'd have to purchase for the price of this whole product. You're going to actually get it free. Roberto is including that. Now on top of that, we're also adding a private group coaching hangout. So let me show you. This is going to be, we scheduled this with Dr. Fred in January. Everybody who purchases this program before Thursday night at midnight is going to get access to a free coaching training in January where they're going to be able to ask Dr. Fred anything they need to. He's going to be training on how you can master conversions in your office and increase your conversion. And this is extremely valuable because you're going to get some time where you can ask any question that you need to. Make sure that you're mastering this process in your office. Okay, and then we're also going to get 1 free ticket to the Chiro Thought Leader Seminar. It's a $299 value that you'll be able to use. This seminar is coming up in 2016, February 26th and 27th in Houston, Texas. We'd love to see you there, but we're going to include that in the price of this program. And if you purchase before Thursday night, December 17th at midnight, you can get this program, which is normally $1,500, for only $997. We've also included a 3-pay. If you'd rather do 3 monthly payments of $399, you can get started today as well. But I just wanted to quickly walk you through this product and show you exactly what's in the Masterpiece Report of Findings program. It's an awesome product, and we hope to see you on the other side. Go ahead and click the button below this video, or go to the sales page and get started today, and we'll get your DVDs out to you as soon as possible. All right, thanks guys. Hope you found value in this, and it showed you the inside of the Masterpiece program. Talk to you later.